What's up, everybody? Just gonna do a real quick video. I hope will help some of you out. Um, so I'm on UJ. I'm gonna make another video, like I said, about the bigger picture of things here. As you can see, it's a long downtrend, but I want to just pick one of these swings out and kind of just go over how a simple Fibonacci strategy can get you there. So simply, okay, so we all know how to identify support and resistance. We can see price was moving up and it just couldn't quite break that level. So we should be aware of a downtrend coming. So as it kept consolidating here, you can see we kind of got lower highs and then pretty much a straight across support range. So that just tells you price is pushing lower and lower and eventually should pop through. So one trade you could take here is the breakout of this area with your first target right here. So let's say we took that trade. So we went short here and took profit here. And then price created a clear reversal there. So we got a reversal there. We've got a clear top here. So we want to measure Fibonacci between there and there. And now what we're looking for is this to pull back up, because now we know a good chance a downtrend is starting. So we want to be going short with that downtrend. So we want to catch these pullbacks and enter short. So this is where Fibonacci comes in really good. So typically I like to only hit the 0.5, 0.618, but you'll see 0.382 a lot. So as you see, price comes here, pushes back up into this area, and this is where we could be looking to go short with a tight stop loss, and then obviously our other price action areas are going to be our targets. But for now, I'm just going to go over this. So that's entering the way I usually do. Conservative entrance would be that pullback and then the break of the previous low. So you'd enter right here conservatively. So let me get rid of some of these lines. So same thing. Which move were we on? Right here. So we've got our clear top, clear bottom. So we go ahead and measure fib. Now we're looking for a pullback and where to go short. So this time we get up into the 0.618 area. So that's where I'd be looking to go short. I'd look back through price and see a target level somewhere around there. And then you can always go back and find lower targets. But so from here, price pulls back. I'm looking to go short right here at 0.618. The conservative entrance would be letting it drop and break your previous low and enter. But since we're at this support level is now this resistance level, I can put a stop loss right above there and let it ride. So most of the time when I see a good rejection wick right here, I just enter with a tight stop loss. So if I say we see that big rejection wick, and I probably enter somewhere around there. Target one would be here for 200 pips. So I could technically have 100 pip stop loss and keep that as a great trade ratio. So then obviously when price breaks your previous low, you're going to move to a second target, and you'll find that by a price action or however else. So that is a simple way. And on top of all that, what I just showed you with Fibonacci and pullbacks, that's just a simple trend. So sometimes you can draw perfect trend lines on them. Sometimes you can't. But it's just the basis of a trend. It's the basis of support and resistance. You see price here. If you mark these out, they should all come pretty close. So you've got support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So it's just stepping it down. So as you go down further, the trades get riskier, because if you're looking at the big picture, you know this is a big resistance level up here. So anytime price pushes up here, you're pretty certain you're going to get a good drop. So the further down we go, more risky it gets, because obviously this is a strong area. So I'm going to leave this just at that. Go over it a few times. It's a super, super simple strategy. If you're on the daily, as you could see, those were huge gains right there. So go over that. You can do the conservative entrance, or just enter like I do, and tight stop loss, and then you're in the right side of the numbers game. So hopefully this video helps, and I'll see you guys later.